Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Blessings everyone. Today we're in a marathon. Yeah guys, so I'm on my way. I go up to Mr. Grant. You all know Mr. Grant, that's the gentleman that we're doing the project for, that we're building the house for. Yeah man. We're checking on the project, see how far it reaches. Supposed to finish by this. And I'm gonna show you guys around Marathon. Alright?
Go across the same because I'm not like that.
Guys, so we reach a seaport, actually they're close by to the location. So I'll link the pastor now and find out what I'm going to do about Mr. Grant. Alright? Yeah man, follow me. Who we can get in touch with in regards to the project, Instagram project?
Well, it's the same, sir. I got a label there, just that mark there.
You have any idea? Okay. You have any idea how far the project is? That has to be movement.
No,
It's that?
I wouldn't know.
Oh, so Pastor Gamma, you can remember the number, please, for the church phone number and the number. This is my own. So we'll have a contact from there again. Alright, thanks, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah guys, so as you know, the project was actually left in charge of the church. So the pastor is not there, he's going to Mark Bay to get back. So what I do, I go up on Mr. Grant because we want to see how far this thing reach. But right now I'm waiting for Brian from Jamaican Island Flicks But YouTube, in my YouTube, they have an issue. So I have a new channel now. I'm gonna tell you guys what the channel name as soon as it's found. And I'm gonna show you guys on the hill, alright? Hopefully today can be a fun vlog. Although this is something we really have to deal. This is more like business, alright? So we could do this and then we have fun, don't we? Yeah man, y'all follow me. Guys, so yeah man, Brian reach, you know. Brian,
Yeah, man.
easy. Kenneth there. Kenneth, alright, yeah. Yeah man. So peeps, we'll go up on the hill now. I'm gonna show you all the journey. So y'all follow me, alright? Thank you for being here. I will. Go part. Then fix it?
Then done, but then until you drive up there.
Oh, guys, so remember the journey here up the hill. Yeah, we're taking on a journey again. Enough you saw true, we do it 30. But Brian, I say I'm tired, so what you say tired, Brian?
Yeah, man, place hot.
Yeah. Brian, what you say channel name? Alright, you know decide on the name. By the end of the vlog, you can decide?
Yeah, man.
Alright, peeps, so we'll get back to you on that. And yeah, I'm asking you all to run over to that channel. Any name we're going to tell you, and yeah, because it already has a name, but it's too long, so I'm going to change it. So it makes no sense I tell you guys that name. So we'll be giving you a name by the end of the vlog, alright? Yeah. So as you know, this project was started. We started the project almost 6 months ago. But because of difficulties, it was not finished by me. It was handed over to the church. Yeah, so it's supposed to reach far by now. You understand? But I want to give you guys an update because you all are donated to this project also. So yeah man, we're on way. You follow me. Who tired? Let me know in the comment section if you're not tired. Yeah man. Brian, yeah, you tired?
Hey.
Alright, Brian tired so far. Let me see who's second that. Alright. Still up on way. If you're all here with me same way, let me know that you're all here in the comment section down below, alright? Yeah man. See them there. Nah, bush? Oh. Yeah, we're sitting going here. Yeah, I know it's a problem, no? I see something with you. I turn right here. Yeah, through the lane there. Alright, the sun reach. Well guys, look like we still look at progress. The sun there, go on. So at least let's see one sign of progress. Although that another highlight still that can be alright. But so guys, nothing has started. When I see nothing start, I have a check still. Sir Grant! Sir Grant! Sir Grant! Okay, foundation dig guys. So this is the foundation. However, I'm not seeing Mr. Grant at the moment. Foundation dig, but more things should have dropped already. And Brian?
Yeah?
More of the things them should have dropped already and start do already. This is just foundation, I dig. So Grant not there? Yeah. You did me a flim and me come here and me see the cabin and see the money out. And I say, yo, me have to do something for making get assistance, is it? Yeah. But as far as me see that's the foundation, me see it still.
Little bit of sun out of
front. A little bit of sun out of front.
So
no.
What in time you say for it?
Well, family land still, you know. People would ask the same question why they so far up, so.
Yeah, but it's a community. It's not a community. It's sick when I want.
That are the problem.
I'm not think when I do money. I'm not say something. I'm familiar. Or I'm alone.
Like I'm alone, and you have some family issues, man. You know, sometimes you have some issues and you just want to by yourself.
Yeah.
Is it, man?
I think for female
For-
still. Yeah.
It's not good for him alone. We don't try to get piece of land on the flat, but we never able to get it.
If you shout, if something wrong with the man in shout on there now.
And then when
No,
why him really did need a house that he still, although there's a station and people them do like them better than him. If him have things in the house, people still go and never take it out when him not there, you know. You see me? So that's not nice. So we have to take this up in and see if we can get this finished quick. Because the material,
Get a house back.
yeah, Finland.
Female.
You see me? The material that the hardware, so might as well we take it up back in hand and get it done. Because this really a move slow.
All in it.
About 70 so.
Okay. All is.
Yeah guys, so this is what has happened so far.
So what do you
So guys, I'm kind of disappointed, honestly, because I think it would have reached further. Wherever I see them start still, so we just have to take it up in hand and make sure I say it move, because the material them there the hardware, you know. So, yeah man. Yeah, and them grass you have a tight up. Calibrate. Yeah. So we, as I noticed, we didn't see Mr. Grant up there, but we are seeing the crossroad out here, so we'll see if we can get to see him and have a conversation with him and find out really what going on. Yeah man. And after that I'm gonna show you guys some drone footage of the area and of the river. For the rest of the drone footage, full coverage, y'all can go over to Brian's channel and watch that, alright? The link to the channel I'll go there right up there, so. And the swipe on my finger there, right up there, so. Alright, you want to check out that. Mr. Grant. Kelvin.
Oi. Wow.
And I used to the name there. And Mr. Grant. Oh. Church I take long time, I left everything in the hand, you know. And I go up there, I go look for you a while ago, but I don't see nobody, and my sister I just stand alone, I stand.
Yeah.
But that's the long time, man. That's the long time. How everything is, because I make sure them do. It's not done dig out, yeah. I show me never did that, yeah. You see? Yeah. This is not done dig out, man. So how everything is.
Why that's true, you know, because if you dig and low for them and together, you got back on them.
How you stay with food and everything?
I don't know what you know. The back on them, I don't know good fat things. You can't eat no food when you cook and I don't know.
I never the day in a yard, so that's why I'm never come back on that. You understand?
If I tell you,
I see if I can get some food and some stuff. Easy. I have to do that.
I said, you can't. Like them family.
In our church? They can't work for them and you not come out in church.
You see,
Joke thing that.
the Rasta man and thing that was still
That me just tell me uncle say, I Rasta, is it? So I try to sort out some more stuff and
yeah.
I come link if you sit down and reason with them, but never see us still. Push up and walk blessed one, see it? No, that's keep shining. My son never come in here. Alright. get some food stuff. Buy some food stuff, yo. Yeah. Have to get some food. And then get that one. You don't want nothing food. Yes, guys. You say what about still a go on, man? But you want shoes and slippers. Yes, man. I try to get some of that. Yes. I try. But as me tell you, you can be good to just can bring some food stuff.
Yes, I am.
Alright. Got it. So, okay. Blessings, man. And don't make them get it done.
What that me I try for you?
Don't make them get it done.
Yeah, so I'm going to take time to go right and go time.
True.
Yeah.
Alright, so take care of yourself, please. Yeah, man.
Great thank you.
Yeah, man. What's up, there? Come in. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm paying for you the morning.
Pen? Sure, you have pen? No, I'm not doing pen. You have pen, Kenneth?
No, teacher, no.
Let me get one puff and drink. I remember say you have a book pen.
Yeah, I got one rap.
Yeah, Rob. You didn't have? Yeah, man. Remember that, Kenneth?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So,
I say I get one cooking part to you.
Saturday, remember that. I'm supposed to have that already.
I want a spoon and yeah.
Supposed to have the pot already, man. Is it?
I still get steel and black and stuff.
The block and cement everything by already, you know, just steel. Just to steal them, they get on.
I'm begging them, man.
Alright,
Yeah, man. Come here.
It's been a while and come here, you can get me audio. It's been a while and you need to understand. You see the people them where you remember I come on a film and tell some people that will help you. Them donate and thing them buy, so we really I expect to see them start to do the thing, is it? Because them have the thing them. Because them buy already. So I'm Mr. Chin and Mr. Hill, the pastor. I talk to him already, I have a phone number. Listen, but I really expect it to move far faster and reach far. You see that? But no matter what the thing them buy for the project have to go on. So we have to try to get it started out. You see me? So that is no excuse that if because you're not go to the church, you can't work for them, and because you're not go to the church, they're not going to do the project. That is no excuse.
I will never
understand. They already took the project up on them. It will take too long. So we'll try to get it started out as quick as possible. Are you a puppy?
Yeah.
You didn't get one dog?
I really have to know that.
Yes, man, I'm telling me that be one dog here, but some little foolishness is going on in my place and I'm never really there, you understand?
And the chat on your neck and get it better.
Oh, is a man a love animal, no, Kenneth?
This man.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm. The same surname?
Grant.
Grant.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, now I'm going to go back in a BA now, because I have one next piece of video for the down the road and everything. Is it? So, as I tell you about it, Saturday I come here, alright? Stay strong. You see me? Yeah, man. This is my uncle.
Yeah.
Rastafari. That's it. Yeah.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can